Okay, now we just have to watch him. Oh! I started a war and I didn't even have to do anything. I just I didn't. Or if you still get your token. Oh my god. What? I'm scared for my life. I didn't even do anything though. I didn't think he was actually gonna do it. He actually did it. He ran 14,000 blocks just for verb. Pooping. What? No, I don't want to run away. I'm finally home. I finally have a nice base. I didn't do anything.
Hey, listen.
Leave Poopy out of this. I did not do anything. Alright, I don't want any part of the blame. I did nothing wrong. Tell me what I did wrong. Okay, I didn't think he was gonna do it. I did nothing. Thank you for subscribing. Okay.